So we're rambling out curbsiding and we stopped in for a drink. And we found a bridal shop. Now, I just want to know, Kimmy, what dress do you think I'd look the best in? You know? Scooby reckons I look best in this one. All black. What about that, Jen? That's a nice dress, isn't it? Not that I'm trying to marry you off, sweetheart. But we just thought, you know, there's a pile over the road, and we just show you. These are some beautiful, beautiful dresses. Look at them. The Picking family goes bridal shopping. So did you two decide on a dress? Geez, I'm weighing myself down here. I've got a phone and wallet and yeah. Just got to spread the weight evenly. See the pile over the road there? I might as well go and have a little hunt of that one. Then there's one up at the corner. So it's not all about bridal wear, ladies and gentlemen. We just thought we'd show you something different. So in these richer sort of suburbs, so it's school time now. There's one for lease shop. Too small, too far away from home. I wonder if that's all alloy. We should take that. Oi, that's all alloy. See, that could make like a part of a decking or, you know, a roof covering. Think we should take it? Think we should take the alloy? You reckon you can get all that? Yeah. Cool. Well, road train's up over there. It's light. Oh, I like the bowl. Yeah. That's kind of cool. And those heels.
You go and wear them with your wedding dress?
Is that a proposal? Is that a proposal of marriage? Because, you know, on an earlier video, I sort of asked Kimmy to marry me, and she said, get stuffed. So, not that I blame you, darling. I wouldn't marry me either. Not completely. You wouldn't know what personality you're getting, would you? I mean, I'm normally pretty happy. You know, it's been at least a week since I walked around and said, kill myself, kill myself, kill myself. It's at least a week. So, besides that, everything's great. There's a big pile, isn't it? Scooby's in quarter cutting mode, I think.
No, stubby coolers.
Oh, stubby coolers. Fishing reel. Oh, good job. That looks like we take the tub. Beautiful job. Just stack them over there. And, yeah. Now, it might look like we're sort of making a mess, but if you know us at all, Scoop, if you know us at all, you will know that we leave the pole cleaner than when we found it. That's a washing machine, that. Look at that. It's a... We'll take that. I'm not a big fan of stubby coolers myself. They don't seem to sell. This is different. What's this? This is like a chili thing. See, it's got like the... See if we can find the lid to that. Is that the lid to it? I reckon it is, you know. Okay, maybe not that way, maybe this way. Okay. think I'm doing it wrong. Oh, there you go, like that. That's cool. Look at this thing. Cool scores there, Dan.
You do pack cold boxes, like the black ones?
No. Oh, awesome. Have you got that? Got that so I can get to them. Jeepers, I'll tell you what, this ain't bad either, boys.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, that's alright.
What's wrong with that? They'll be handy.
Yeah.
Good for your games, Scoob. Dora the Explorer. What's that? Well, that's a piece of, that's cool. Got your cutters there, young fella?
Yeah.
I think that's too far gone. That's the glass pieces for it.
Yeah.
But it's pretty cheap. Let's put that in there. We might put the glass in there, stop it getting broken. I just dumped that on my foot.
What's that?
I'm talking to myself. What's that in there? What we got in here? Oh, they're cool. I'm gonna put them in them.
Yeah.
Is that box of shit I got over there?
Yeah.
There's 8 more bags, we can take them. That's the pile up over there I'm making. Oh gee, if somebody's scrapping, there's something for them. They're drum brakes, drum
Yeah, right.
discs, yeah. What we got in there? Oh, that's heavy too. What's in there? Bearings. Is that one of those mounts for? Oh, yeah. Oh, some scrapper's gonna love that.
That's not good.
Night before Christmas. That's cool. I love Dad. You should get me that, Jen. But I'm not getting it for me, you give me for Christmas, because that sucks. Aquarius, age of Aquarius. Mel was one carrying on about Aquarius the other day, wasn't she?
There's a Disney one down the bottom. It's right here.
Oh, that's cool. It's a circle. Yeah, that whole box, dude. But oh, what's that? Oh, Siggy case. Oh, look at that. It's got skulls on it. Don't want it?
No.
Oh. See, there you go. I learn something new every day about you. Although if had skulls on it, you just have to have it. Like, oh, it's got skulls. Only got to have it, Gav. All right. Well, the age of Aquarius is over. Yeah. What are we going to do about that?
We gotta pick it up.
We are going to pick it up. And we're going to put it in that box. Age of Aquarius. Well, our friend Scooby just ended that. He's putting a few back, is he? Alright, so he's happy with himself, so that's good. Oh, pills. Oh, I sounded that with some intrigue. What have we got? Celery 3000. I hate celery. Biomagnesium. I wonder if that turns you into like the $6 million man. What do you think, Scoop? Stop trying to make me take pills on the curb, Scoop. All right, I mean, look what happened to you. He used to be 6'3". All right, and he's just trying to take these other pills to make him smaller again. I mean, taller again. And the one he dropped was the Aquarius one, so he ended the age of Aquarius. I want to take that big bookcase too. So, should I come around, park on the corner here, or should I do a lap? Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, we'll close the cutters up. Right. Now the boys are doing the work because I'm the old man, and I'm going to make a space. Well, it should be fun. Oh shit, just punched myself in the face with the camera then. Wait up, wait for him, mate. I'll just give myself a little bit more room here to work. What's that? Oh, a pole. All right, go on, let's get this on. We've got 14 minutes. Just drop the edge there, mate. Just get it to me. Yeah. Hang on. Yep. I should have judged pretty much perfectly. Not bad, old man. Not bad. Just hold my back as I try and go around here for me. That's it. I just didn't want to fall. I didn't know what was behind me. You're not happy with that, are you, Gavin? No, you're not. I just wasn't happy with my knot. You untied him? Cool. Alright. Bye, all. Bye, all. He's the tyre. Let him do it.